Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making chocolate stuffed pancake. So let's do it. 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/3 ml of milk. So this is how the batter looks like. First we're going to put half, and then we're going to add some chocolate, and then we're going to add a bit more on top, and wait until the bubble comes. When you see bubbles on top, and you just flip it, and here it is. As you can see, I'm making another one, closer one, to let you know how you can put more chocolate if you like. And here are the stuffed chocolate pancakes ready. Do try and let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.